Hello guys! In this video, I will share with you how to split the screen on Windows 11 for those of you who are Windows 11 users who want to do a lot of things on your laptop or PC. You can try activating the split screen feature on Windows 11. Pay attention to these small arrows to follow the steps. To split the screen in Windows 11, you hover your cursor in this section, and you can choose the split screen display in Windows 11. This is an example of what is meant by splitting the screen on Windows 11. Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.